Alright, how many of you guys got well into your build or nearly complete and realized that the first piece you did, likely your rudder, just looks like absolute garbage? So that's how I feel right now. Just pulled it off the shelf. Was thinking about mounting it on the fuselage and took a look at my cut line here. I think this is probably pre-cut now and pre-drilled from the factory, but when I bought my kit I had to trim that whole thing off, and apparently a couple years ago that was the best I could do with the tin snips. There's no burrs or anything, but definitely not the smoothest cut. Won't cut my finger, but I think I'm going to pull, as you can see I already started drawing out some of the rivets. I'm going to pull this whole thing off, this top piece, try and clean up that line. I got the same thing on the other side, and then you can see here I got a little bit of a lip there, so I might try and trim that up too, get down further into this top piece. Not sure, I don't think anything goes on there. There's no tip piece or anything, so I'll try and clean that up, make it look nice. So, just curious if anybody else does the same thing. Thought about just rebuying the whole rudder, which I still might do that. We'll see what it looks like once I get in there. Right now I don't remember any other mistakes other than just that ugly line, but there could be something hiding underneath. Alright.